Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A5 and the Infiniti Q50. We will explore their key differences across performance, interior design, technology, and overall value. This comparison will help you understand which luxury sedan better suits your driving preferences and lifestyle. Let's dive into the details of these two compelling vehicles. When it comes to performance, the Audi A5 typically offers a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering up to 268 horsepower. It comes standard with quattro all-wheel drive. The Infiniti Q50, however, features a more powerful twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6, with outputs ranging from 300 to 400 horsepower, available in rear-wheel or all-wheel drive. Inside, the Audi A5 presents a sophisticated cabin with high-quality materials and a prominent MMI panoramic display, including an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit. The Infiniti Q50 offers a driver-focused interior with dual in-touch touchscreens, measuring 8 inches and 7 inches, and available 16-speaker Bose audio. Both sedans provide wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Considering value, the Infiniti Q50 often has a lower starting price, beginning around $44,000, while the Audi A5 typically starts closer to $47,000. The A5 generally achieves better fuel economy, with up to 31 highway miles per gallon, versus the Q50's 29 highway miles per gallon. Cargo space is around 13.5 cubic feet for the Q50, and up to 26 cubic feet for the A5 sedan. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.